Hello everyone, I wanted to share a home remedy for canker sore as well as for a cold sore. So for cold sore, here's the remedy. You take aspirin, and you mash it up like this powdered, and then you mix a little bit of this and with alcohol. Okay, doesn't matter rubbing alcohol, just a little bit, and you put it on your cold sore. You have to repeat it, I don't know, 2-3 days, and then it'll be gone. This really works, and my friends have tried it and it works, so try that. And then make sure if you're going on dates and stuff, make sure you check their STD results before you even kiss them, because some of the like the herpes, it gets spread through kissing. So be careful when you're going on dates that you know that your partner is clean. Anyway, so that's for this is for aspirin. If you're I screenshot this aspirin powdered with mixed with alcohol. That's for cold sore. And then the next step is for canker sore. Canker sore is this is contagious, the cold sore, so be careful. If you have that, don't kiss anybody until you're healed. And then for canker sore, that happens when your immunity goes down from saliva, and there's a whole bunch of reasons from the research that I did from my friend. Anyway, but first, what works is you rub some Vaseline with a little bit of sugar and clean the canker sore. Canker sore is gets developed basically inside your mouth, inside the lips or whatever, where the cold sore is outside. That's how you know the difference. This one's kind of like little blistery, like little bubbles or whatever. And then this one's like one blister, maybe it gets white on the top and it gets red. It's like a little red bump of the skin. Anyway, so rub this with a little bit of sugar first and clean your lips. And then you put a little bit of baking soda, wet your finger, put a little bit of dab of baking soda and take the pain, hold it until it doesn't hurt, leave it a little bit. When it doesn't hurt, then you rinse your mouth with this is Crest Pro Health Advanced, and then you can just mix it half and half of your mouthwash. Make sure it does not have SOS, and make sure your toothpaste that you're using does not have SOS in it. SOS stands for something, but you can look it up. Just make sure it doesn't have that. Try to use the Sensidine toothpaste because I think that causes irritation for canker sore, and heart is very painful too. Anyway, I use hydrogen peroxide with water, half and half for mouthwash, but basically it's these two. So you rinse your mouth, and when that's done, then you gargle with salt water. I think that's what really works, is that because my friend, when she did the salt water, it went away fast, like overnight. But you take, I don't know, a tablespoon of salt with a glass of water. The doctors just say a teaspoon, but you can increase it if you like. Then just gargle your mouth 3-4 times a day with salt water. You can use sea salt, or I recommend any. I don't know, you can even use the salt that has iodine, which is better. And then after you gargle that with salt, leave it for, I don't know, 30 minutes, an hour, or overnight, and or a few hours. And then you rub it with 1% hydrocortisone ointment, and just leave this on and go to sleep. And all of this, you repeat it, I don't know, 2-3 times a day or 4 times a day. So good luck to you, and try to boost your immunity, because canker sore is caused by not eating well or taking antibiotics or your saliva. And brush your teeth after every meal, because you want to keep your mouth clean. So this half and half of hydrogen peroxide in your mouthwash helps clean your mouth. Brush your teeth after every meal, and then definitely try those. So again, clean your wound or your lips with Vaseline and petroleum jelly, to clean it. And you can actually put the Vaseline as a preventive every night before you go to bed, or whenever in the morning, so your corner of your mouth is protected. Just put it on your lips and keep your because the Vaseline protects it. Like when you're coloring your hair, you put a little bit of this around your edge of your hair and stuff, so the hair dye doesn't get into it. So this is kind of preventive. So again, clean it with this, and then put a dab of this with wet finger on your wound, and then put this in water, a teaspoon or a tablespoon. Doesn't matter warm or cold. Doctors say warm water, and then rinse it with this. And then this is the last thing that you put at the end. So if you put it in order, you guys want to take a picture of this. There's your order of thing that you do is this set that I have here. That's your order. So go ahead and take a picture. I'm going to wait a couple minutes. Do that. Now for cold sore, you just need aspirin with alcohol. So there's your solution for cold sores. And remember, make sure you get people's STD result before you have, like, you kiss them, you know, it's important. And before you have sex as well, so you don't get any venereal diseases or STDs. Anyway, best of luck to you guys. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a wonderful day. Good luck to you. And whenever, also improve your immunity by taking 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C daily and eating healthy. You know, eat the 4 groups of everything, you know, that's recommended for healthy eating. Get 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C if you can do that, if you don't have any ulcers or acid reflux. And anyway, for acid reflux, if you get that, I'll go ahead and give you my recommendation for that as well, is try not to eat any acidic foods, tomatoes, tomato sauces, and stop eating 4 hours before you go to bed. Elevate your bed like you're in a sitting position, you know, and then just go to sleep like that. So that will help anything that will come up, the food and stuff. And eat less. I don't know, count to 5 after every bite, so eating less. And just eat cookies, you know, crackers. Of course, make sure they're low sugar or no sugar. Crackers, oatmeal, brown rice, you know, things that absorbs. You can even do chia seeds before going to bed and other times, because that expands and it'll keep your stomach full, and the chia seeds will absorb the acid and stuff that's in your stomach. So I think you'll see a big difference for your acid reflux if you have it. Okay, there you go, my advice for acid reflux. And basically acid reflux is actually caused by that little thing that holds your, I forgot what it's called, but anyway, that prevents the food from coming up. As you get older, I think that kind of gets weakened. And also if it's too much acid, or if you eat too much, then that gets weak, and then the food comes up because probably eating more than your stomach can handle. So the food has to make room, and it comes up, and then over time it'll get weak. So eat less and more often. That's healthier than eating huge meals when you full stop. All right. Good luck to you on all these 3 issues, and love you guys. Subscribe, pass my recommendation to others if they have any of these issues. All right. Good luck. Bye-bye.